What's up guys, it's Josh back with another video and welcome back to the KeepItTechie channel. And today I wanted to dive into a very special topic that's gaining traction in the tech world, and that's immutable Linux. So whether you're a seasoned Linux user or just curious about the latest in tech, this video is for you. So let's get started and unpack the world of immutable Linux distributions. So what exactly is immutable Linux? Imagine a Linux system where the core operating system files are set in stone, meaning they don't change. And it's like having a solid foundation that doesn't crack or shift, ensuring consistency and reliability. And these immutable Linux distributions are designed to maintain the integrity of the core operating system by preventing any alterations to critical files. And one popular example of immutable Linux distro is Core OS. And I'm not sure if you guys remember my last video I did on Fedora, but I talked about Fedora Core OS, which Fedora decided to link up with Core OS to create Fedora Core OS. But Core OS introduced the concepts of container-based atomic updates, and it was designed for running containerized applications on a secure and immutable foundation. Fedora Core OS continues this legacy by providing an immutable operating system designed for running container workloads. Before we move forward, I wanted to give a quick shout out to CIQ, the official partner of Rocky Linux. Rocky Linux is a Linux distribution that is intended to be a downstream complete binary compatible release using the Red Hat Enterprise Linux operating system source code. The project is led by Gregory Kurtzer, who was the founder of the CentOS project. So check out Rocky Linux at ciq.co. Now let me explain a little more. This immutability is achieved through technologies like OS Tree, which allows for atomic updates and rollbacks, ensuring that the system remains stable and secure. In contrast, traditional Linux distributions can be modified over time, potentially leading to instability and security risks. And so immutable Linux distributions address this concern, providing a rock-solid foundation for your computing needs. Now you might be wondering, why would I want an immutable Linux distro? Well, there are several compelling reasons, and the first is security. With a system that doesn't change, you're less vulnerable to certain types of attacks and malware. And since the core system remains unaltered, attackers have a harder time making persistent changes to your system. For example, if you're using an immutable Linux distribution like Project Atomic or Flat Core Linux, unauthorized modifications to the core system become exceedingly difficult, enhancing your security posture. Now, secondly, stability. An immutable system means predictable behavior with fewer surprises in terms of system changes. Consider using Ubuntu Core as an example. It's designed for IoT devices and ensures that your device core remains unchanged, providing a reliable platform for your IoT application. And third, ease of maintenance. Immutable Linux distribution simplifies system management. Updates can be applied in a way that preserves the integrity of the system. And if an update goes haywire, you can easily roll back to a previous version. This is particularly beneficial in production environments where system uptime is critical. In addition to the examples mentioned earlier, other immutable Linux distros like NixOS, which I covered that one a little while ago. I went through NixOS, it's a immutable distro as well as OpenSUSE Micro OS. I haven't checked that one out. I need to check that one out, but they all offer various features and use cases that cater to different needs. So exploring these distributions can help you find the right fit for your specific requirements. So whether you're managing a server, running IoT devices, or using Linux at home, consider a immutable distro could be a smart move because they offer enhanced security, stability, and ease of maintenance. But just do your research. Now don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more tech insight. If you have any questions, leave comments down in the comments below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and of course, keep it techie.